Welcome to Bali, the island of the gods, where romance fills the air and every moment feels like a fairy tale. Amidst emerald rice paddies and majestic volcanic slopes, you'll find a paradise perfect for couples. Today, we uncover 10 experiences that will make your hearts flutter and spirits soar. From sun-kissed shores to the spiritual heart of Ubud, we'll traverse the island with love as our compass. Imagine strolling along pristine beaches hand in hand as the sun dips below the horizon. Get ready to explore the most romantic spots and unforgettable experiences. Let's dive in. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the tranquil waters, we find ourselves at the serene and picturesque Jimbaran Bay, a place where time seems to stand still. Picture a table for two, right on the ocean's edge, illuminated by flickering candles. The gentle sound of waves provides a soothing soundtrack to your evening. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, with shades of orange, pink, and purple blending seamlessly. These colors reflect the passion within your hearts, creating a perfect backdrop for romance. This is Jimbaran Beach at sunset, a magical place where the day's end brings a sense of peace and wonder. Here, love takes center stage, and every moment feels like a cherished memory in the making. We journey to Ubud, a spiritual haven where ancient traditions meet modern luxury. Step into renowned spas like Karsa or Maya Ubud, where tranquility and romance intertwine. An Ubud Spa Experience is a celebration of love and well-being. In Bali, paradise is best experienced in your own private villa. Spend lazy days by your private pool, sharing laughter and whispered secrets. A private villa in Bali is a sanctuary where love blossoms. Adventure awaits atop Mount Batur, an active volcano. As you ascend hand in hand, the darkness gives way to breathtaking panoramas. Standing above the clouds, you'll feel an overwhelming sense of connection. Journey to the Tegalalang Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nestled amidst this paradise, enjoy a picnic with local delicacies and fresh tropical fruits. The Tegalalang Rice Terraces offer a place where love and nature intertwine. Our voyage takes us to the Nusa Islands, Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan, and Nusa Seningan. A private cruise offers a chance to reconnect with nature and each other, discover hidden beaches and create your own private paradise. As twilight descends, we set sail for Menjangan Island. Far from city lights, the night sky explodes in a breathtaking tapestry of stars. Menjangan Island offers a place to reconnect with nature and rediscover love. Delve into Bali's vibrant culinary scene with a cooking class. Learn to prepare traditional dishes under the guidance of local chefs. End the day by savoring a delicious Balinese feast prepared with love. Perched atop Uluwatu's cliffs, El Kabron redefines romantic dining. Secure a table on the cliff's edge, with waves crashing below. El Kabron is an experience, a celebration of life, love, and Bali's beauty. In Ubud, the Bali swing offers an exhilarating experience. Soar through the air, the world spread out beneath you. Capture these moments with a photo tour, creating unforgettable memories. As our journey through romantic Bali draws to a close, we reflect on the unforgettable moments we've shared. We hope you've been inspired by the breathtaking landscapes and the vibrant culture that Bali has to offer. From serene beaches where the waves gently kiss the shore, to thrilling adventures that get your heart racing, Bali offers countless experiences that cater to every kind of traveler. Remember the feeling of sand between your toes, the warmth of the sun on your skin, and the gentle breeze that whispers through the palm trees. Savor the taste of Balinese cuisine, a delightful blend of spices and flavors that tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. These moments, filled with laughter and joy, are the building blocks of lasting memories that you will cherish forever. Thank you for joining us on this romantic escapade. Your presence has made this journey even more special. Until next time, keep exploring, keep loving, and keep the spirit of adventure alive in your hearts. Let the memories of Bali inspire you to seek new horizons and create new stories.